Your patient has a few easy ways to build their custom message list. Let's walk through each. Option 1. Use preset phrases. Click Add Preset Phrases. Choose between a short list, which is 10 phrases, or a long list, which is 164 phrases. Click Yes. Import these sentences. Boom! They're added to the list and ready to edit. You'll see a pencil icon next to each phrase if they want to tweak it, or a trash can if they want to delete it. If they change their mind and want to scrap all of the presets, click Remove Preset Phrases at the top of the page and confirm with Yes, remove all sentences. Option 2. Add your own, one at a time. Click Add Your Own Phrase. A new line will appear. Type the phrase, press Enter, and it's added. Option 3. Upload a file. If you've got a go-to list of phrases you already use with patients, or you want your patient to create a list of their own, create a .txt file with one phrase per line. Click Add .txt file, upload it, and select the file from your computer. No matter the method, phrases autosave, so once your patient's list looks good, you're ready to move on to recording them.